we will start the practical number 2, that is test the functionality of universal logic gates. We have already studied about the universal logic gates. They are NAND gate and NOR gate. So here we will first see the IC configuration of these gates. Okay, what you are seeing, this is the IC configuration of NAND gate. This is a single IC. In this we are having 4 NAND gates. You can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 NAND gates. The first NAND gate, pin number 1 and pin number 2 is the input of this NAND gate, and pin number 3 is output of this NAND gate. The second NAND gate, pin number 4 and pin number 5 is the input of this NAND gate, and pin number 6 is the output of this NAND gate. This IC is having pin number 7 as a ground and pin number 14 as VCC. Here NAND gate 3 is here, and you can see pin number 8 is output and 10 and 9 is input of this NAND gate. The next one is also same here. 13 and 12 is the input of this NAND gate, and 11 is the output of this NAND gate. Here we can find the truth table also. So you can see when the input A is 0 and B is 0, output is 1. When input A is 0 and B is 1, output is still 1. When input A is 1, B is 0, output. Now here we are watching is IC configuration of NOR gate 7402. Here also you can see in this IC you are having 4 NOR gates. They are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in a single IC there are 4 NOR gates, but the configuration here is bit different. You can check here. Pin number 1 is output and pin number 2 and 3 is input. Here also next one, 4 is output, 5 and 6 is input. Pin number 7 is ground and pin number 14 is VCC. We will check the truth table here. When input A is 0, B is 0, output is 1. When input A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. When input A is 1, B is 0, output is 0. And when input A is 1, B is 1, output is 0. So this is the overall IC configuration of NOR gate 7402. This now to perform the experiment of universal gates, that is to verify the truth table of universal gates, the components required are power supply, breadboard, LED, and these are the 2 ICs. One is of NAND gate and the second one is of NOR gate, and connecting wires. So now we will start to verify the truth table of NAND gate. Okay, so we will first connect the IC on the breadboard at the central part. So here you can see this is pin number 1, this is pin number 7, and the upper one is pin number 14. This upper line will use for VCC connection. This down line will use for ground connection. So we'll start with the connection first. So first we will connect the ground pin of the IC. So this is the ground pin, pin number 7 connected to ground. So I'm going to use this line. Then we will connect the VCC connection of the IC, that is pin number 14. So this is pin number 14. We are going to connect it on the upper side of the breadboard. So VCC connection will do. So here is the VCC connection. So we have done with this is VCC connection, this is ground connection. Now we will connect the input. Pin number 1 is input, pin number 2 is input, and pin number 3 is output. So at the output we will connect the LED. So LED we are going to check. So the longer lead is anode. So anode we are going to connect. So this is anode. Anode we will connect to pin number 3, and cathode we are going to connect it to ground. Now we will connect the input wires. So this input A, I am going to connect it to pin number 1. and input B. I am going to connect it to pin number 2. So it is here. So you can see this is A, yellow is B, and this LED is the output. The very next important thing is to connect the power supply. So power supply, here this is the VCC pin. VCC pin we are going to connect to VCC. So upper line of the breadboard, and this is the ground pin. You are going to connect to the ground. So this is the ground part, and now we are going to verify the truth table of this NAND gate. To verify the truth table of this NAND gate, first we are going to connect input A as 0, B as 0, and we are going to verify it. So here I am going to connect A to the ground, connect B to the ground, and we will switch on the power supply. Now we have connected input A to 0, B to 0, and power supply is off. Now we'll put on the power supply, and we can see that output LED is glowing, LED is on. That means output is at logic 1. So we'll verify this. We have seen that if A is 0, B is 0, theoretically we are having 1. That means output should be at logic 1, and we got LED as on. Hence this is verified. So first state is verified. Now we'll A is 0 and B is 1. So now we'll connect. A is already at 0. I'll remove B and connect it to logic 1, that is VCC. I'll switch on the power supply, and you can see that LED is on. So here in the truth table, LED is on, and output should be theoretically output should be as logic 1. Hence second state is verified. Now I'll verify the third. A is 1 and B is 0. So now we'll verify here. I'm going to connect A to 1. So A is green wire. So A connected to VCC, B connected to ground. Put on the power supply, and you can see that LED is on. So theoretically it should be at logic 1, and LED is also on. So it is same, hence it is verified. And now the last state, A and B both should be at 1, and we will check for this state. So for this I am going to connect. A is already at 1 and B was at 0. I am going to connect it to VCC. So both are at 1. I will put on the power supply, and you can see LED is off. So theoretically when A is 1, B is 1, output should be 0 and LED is off. So hence verified. So we have verified the truth table of NAND. We have verified the truth table of NAND gate. Okay, to verify the truth table of NOR gate, so we will start with the connections first. So this is the NOR gate IC which I have connected in the central part of this breadboard. So first we will connect the ground portion. So pin number 7 is the ground of this IC. So this is pin number 7. I am going to connect it to this as a ground. So ground is connected. I am going to use this upper region of this breadboard for VCC connection. So I am going to connect this wire to pin number 14 of this IC. So pin number 14 is connected here. So this is pin number 14 for VCC. This is ground here. So now we will connect the inputs. Now here you have to remember pin number 1 of this gate is output and 2 and 3 is input. So I am going to connect this wire, yellow wire, to pin number 2. This is input A. I am going to connect this wire, green wire, as input B to pin number 3. So here this is pin number 3. I am going to connect this wire as an input. So I have connected these two inputs. Now I am going to connect the output, and output is connected to pin number 1. Output is nothing but your LED. Now in this LED you are going to find the anode. So this is the longer lead. This is the anode. Anode we are going to connect to the output, and cathode is connected to the ground. So pin number 1 is output, and cathode I am going to connect to the ground portion here like this. So this is the overall connection. Along with that, now we'll connect the power supply. So here this is the ground wire of this power supply. So ground wire need to be connected to the ground portion. So this is the ground connection, you can see in the ground line, and the VCC connection of this power supply is to be connected to this pin number 14. So you can, that means the upper portion of the breadboard as this. Now the all connection is done. Now we are going to verify the truth table of the NOR gate. So we'll first look here. So you can check when A is 0, B is 0, theoretically output should be 1. That means the LED should glow. So we'll check here. So we'll connect A, that is yellow wire, to ground. So this is 0. We'll connect green wire, that is B, to 0 or ground. So this is also 0. Now I'll switch on the power supply, and you can see the LED is glowing. That means it is on. So that means output is at logic 1, hence verified. So this is on. First state is verified. Now second we will verify. A is 0 and B is 1. So here yellow wire, A is 0, so I am going to keep it there only. B is 1, so I am going to remove this from ground and connect it to VCC. I'll put this power supply on, and you can see LED is not glowing. That means LED is off. So we will check the truth table. So when A is 0, B is 1, output, theoretical output is 0, and LED is also off. Hence the second portion is also verified. So now we will verify the third condition. A is 1 and B is 0. So we will check. So here A is this yellow wire. A is 1, so I am going to connect it to VCC, and B is 0, I am going to connect it to ground. I'll switch on the power supply, and you can see LED is not glowing. So again we'll verify. So this is, theoretically it should be off, and practically we got LED off, so hence this is also verified. Now the last state, A is 1 and B is 1. The output theoretically should be 0. So we'll verify this. Now we are going to connect. A is already at VCC connection. Now we are going to remove this B, which is at ground, and connect it to VCC here, the upper side. And I'm going to switch on the power supply, and you can see the LED is off. So that means this 1 theoretical, it is at logic 0 and LED is off. So that means this is also is at logic 0. Hence the truth table of this NOR gate is also verified. Hence we have already verified both the universal gates, NAND gate and NOR gate.